Hey guys, Alec here, and today I'm going to be talking about how you can promote multiple links in your Instagram bio. Unfortunately, Instagram leaves you with the possibility to only link to one outside resource. It could be your blog, your online store, your other social media platforms, or anything you desire to share with your followers. But having to constantly change your link and swap it around can be a little annoying. Thanks to one simple tool, you can now promote more than one link in your Instagram bio. Linktree. It's an easy solution to help you get more out of your bio link. The way it works is fairly straightforward. After connecting Linktree to your Instagram profile, you'll receive a single link to place in your Instagram bio. Once that link is in place, you can customize what it's linked to within your browser. Be it a single website or a collection of websites you're looking to direct your followers to, changing the links in Linktree is as simple as copying and pasting them into your account and arranging them to your needs. For example, if you're a photographer using Instagram as a marketing tool for your photography, with Linktree you can direct your followers to your blog, your portfolio site, and even your other social media accounts. Before Linktree, you would have been stuck choosing between which one of the above to place in your bio. One distinguishing feature is that your Linktree profile link is branded with your Instagram handle, even if you use the free version. Now, this free version also includes unlimited links and 3 Linktree themes. For those of you who like stats like myself, you can also see the total number of clicks for each link. Now, if you want more than this, for a price of $6 a month, you can upgrade to the Pro version of Linktree, which includes the following features. You can see the day-by-day traffic breakdown for each and every one of your links. You have complete customization over the Linktree colors and button styles. You can change the title of your Linktree. You can also schedule links for a specific time. This is a great way to make a link go live at the same time as one of your Instagram posts. And one of the best features of all is you can retarget your Linktree visitors on Facebook and Instagram by using your Facebook Pixel ID. Now, there are other apps that get the job done, such as lnk.bio or lnk.bio, but my favourite is Linktree. This is because it's the best price for this amount of features. Now, I've put the link for everything I've mentioned in the description below, and I want to know if you guys have heard of Linktree before, and do you already use it, or do you use another similar app? Let me know in the comment section below. And if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Peace out.